Hello students and welcome to your English language class. I hope you all are doing great. Now in today's video we'll be learning about the poem Geography Lesson, which has been written by Brian Patton. Now talking about the poet here, he's from Liverpool, England, and he's a popular poet and performer and a children's author. His poems are about the richness of life and imagination. His collections of poetry include Storm, Damage, and Armada. Now, this poem is about the poet's geography teacher who always dreamt of visiting different places but could never make it. And the speaker or the poet is inspired by his teacher to travel to unknown places. Let us just read this poem once and then I'll explain you all the stanzas here. Our teacher told us one day he would leave the school and sail across a warm blue sea to places he had only known from maps and all his life had longed to be. The house he lived in was narrow and grey, but in his mind's eye he could see sweet scented jasmine climbing up the walls, clinging to the walls, and green leaves burning on an orange tree. He spoke of the lands he longed to visit, where it was never drab or cold. I couldn't understand why he never left and shook off the school's stranglehold. Then, halfway through his final term, he took ill and never returned. He never got to that place on the map where the green leaves of the orange trees burned. The maps were redrawn on the classroom wall. His name forgotten, he faded away. But a lesson he never knew he taught is with me to this day. I travel to where the green leaves burn, to where the ocean's glass clear and blue, to places our teacher taught me to love and which he never knew. Now this poem is about the fantasies and imagination of a teacher who wants to visit unknown places, but he never gets a chance to visit them. Now, this is the first stanza of the poem. Our teacher told us one day he would leave and sail across a warm blue sea. Now, their teacher told them one day that he would leave and sail across a warm blue sea. Obviously, in a ship, he'll sail across a warm blue sea to places he had only known from maps. He'll sail across a warm blue sea and he will visit places that he had only known from maps and he hasn't visited them personally. And all his life had longed to be. Now here longed to be means desired to go. That all his life, जो कि ये पूरी life अपनी ये सोचता रहा उन maps को देख के, that one day he'll be able to visit all these places. Being a geography teacher, he has a lot of interest in all these places, all these new unexplored places, and he wants to visit them. So he is telling his students that one day he'll sail across a warm blue sea and he'll go to places that he knows only from the maps, and all his life he had desired to go there. This is the second stanza. The house he lived in was narrow and grey. Means he is not very rich, but in his mind's eye he could see, लेकिन वो अपनी एक दिमाग में उसकी जो इमेज थी, दैट वॉज ऑफ स्वीट सेंटेड जैस्मिन क्लिंगिंग टू द वॉल्स, और उसमें उसको दिखाई देता था उसकी इमेजिनेशन में स्वीट सेंटेड जैस्मिन, इट्स अ फ्लावर, एंड दीज जैस्मिन फ्लावर्स आर क्लिंगिंग टू द वॉल्स, दे आर हैंगिंग ऑन द वॉल्स, एंड ग्रीन लीव्स बर्निंग ऑन एन ऑरेंज ट्री. Here burning means they are the leaves are showing brightly. Okay, it's not actually burning, the leaves are not actually burning, they are showing brightly. Okay, so now in his mind, in his imagination, he could see sweet scented jasmine flowers clinging to the walls and green leaves which are hanging brightly on an orange tree. He spoke of the lands he longed to visit, where it was never drab or cold. Drab means colorless or dull or very boring. Now, ही स्पोक ऑफ द लैंड्स, वो उन जगह की बात करता था. ही यूज टू स्पीक ऑफ द प्लेसेस ही लॉन्ग टू विजिट, वेयर ही वॉन्ट्स टू गो, वेयर इट वॉज नेवर ड्रैब और कोल्ड, जहाँ पे कभी भी कोई डलनेस नहीं होती है, इतना ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर कोल्ड नहीं होता है, मतलब इट्स वेरी लाइवली एंड इट्स वेरी वाइब्रेंट. आई कुडंट अंडरस्टैंड वाई ही नेवर लेफ्ट, लेकिन मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आया कि वो कभी गए क्यों नहीं ऐसी जगहों पे. एंड शुक ऑफ द स्कूल स्ट्रैंगल होल्ड, और अपने आप को जो वो एक स्ट्रॉन्ग टाइट ग्रिप थी जो स्कूल की, उससे अपने आप को उन्होंने क्यों नहीं छुड़वाया. वाई ही नेवर ब्रोक अवे फ्रॉम द स्ट्रॉन्ग टाइट ग्रिप ऑफ द स्कूल, एंड वाई ही नेवर विजिटेड दीज प्लेसेस. Then halfway through his final term, he took ill and never returned. और जब फाइनल टर्म का हाफ वे था, मतलब in the middle of the final term, he took ill, he became ill and he never returned to the school and he never got to that place on the map. और वो जो मैप पे वो जगह दिखाते थे कि मैं यहाँ जाना चाहता हूँ, he never went there. Where the green leaves of the orange trees burned, और जहाँ पे वो जो ऑरेंज ट्रीज़ थी और उस पर वो ग्रीन लीव्स जो है बहुत वाइब्रेंटली ब्राइटली होती थी, वहाँ पे वो उस प्लेस पर कभी नहीं गए. द मैप्स वर रीड्रॉन ऑन द क्लासरूम वॉल, हिज नेम वॉज फॉरगॉटन, इट फेडेड अवे. अब उनके जाने के बाद एक नए टीचर आए और फिर से क्लासरूम वॉल पे मैप्स फिर से रीड्रॉन हुए, बट हिज नेम वॉज फॉरगॉटन, एवरीबडी फॉरगॉट हिज नेम, the old teacher's name, and it faded away. But a lesson he never knew he taught is with me to this day. लेकिन एक लेसन जो उन्होंने मुझे सिखाया, जो मुझे आज तक याद है, वो उन्हें पता भी नहीं होगा कि वो मुझे सिखाकर चले गए. I travel to where the green leaves burn, to where the ocean's glass clear and blue. अब जो उनका सपना था, whatever he wanted to, whatever place he wanted to visit, now this poet, the speaker, has visited them all and he is fulfilling his dream. He is living the life the teacher always wanted to live. So now he is traveling to where the green leaves burn, to where the ocean's glass is clear and blue, to all those places my teacher taught me to love, but which he never knew. जो वो मेरे टीचर ने मुझे सिखाया था, जिन जगहों को बहुत ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट करना, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेज़ करना, वो खुद उन जगह पर नहीं जा पाए. मेरे टीचर, ही नेवर हैड अ चांस टू विजिट देम ऑल, बट आई एम लकी इनफ टू हैव विजिटेड देम ऑल एंड आई एम फुलफिलिंग माई टीचर्स ड्रीम. सो दिस इज़ द पोएम एंड इट शोज़ दैट how our minds are impacted or affected by whatever we are taught in the classrooms. So sometimes it happens that a teacher leaves a remarkable impact on our mindset. So this was the poem, Geography Lesson. You just go through the video once, and if you cannot understand any word or any stanza, just let me know in the group. You have to write this poem beautifully in your fair notebook, and you have to write the word meaning and question answers, and you have to submit by tomorrow 5 o'clock. Thank you for watching this video.